Hey guys, so on this episode I'm making a wreath with things that I have on my yard. To create this western fall wreath, I went to our yard and collected dry grass and rabbit brush. Hey guys, remember to check our online store. We have the full collection up. What are you waiting for? And bring the heart of Wyoming to your home. Oh, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You help us a lot. Making wreaths is an ancient tradition. It is over 2,800 years old. The Greeks and Romans came up with it. They made wreath crowns of ivy, oak, olive, myrtle, laurel leaves, wheat, and vines. They were used to promote healthy crop harvest and hung on people's doors in the hope of a fruitful harvest in the coming year. Found a weird ball. Look at that. It's weird looking. What is it? Do you know? Look at it. I don't know if you know, but we hosted 2 American robin families this summer. They made their nest on top of our wreath. For the first time, we got to see the inside of it. What? Oh my gosh! Look at that!
It's like mudded in.
Wow! Nice! It is really nice! Oh my goodness! Later, Christians adopted the tradition. The new church seized on evergreens wreaths as a perfect symbol of the new faith. The church thought that the wreath, a circle, has no beginning or end, like God, and the evergreen became a symbol of Christ's victory over death. I removed everything on the wreath and stayed with a bare wreath frame. I started weaving in the collected things. It is a long process. It took me an hour and a half to do it. You have to start somewhere, then start filling up the space. It is very straightforward to do. Remember that you can bring the heart of Wyoming to your home with our fall collection. We added small tote bags and Samsung cases to our other products like iPhone cases and pillows. The pillows are lovely. And of course, you can also get prints. Help in making my dream of bringing the heart of Wyoming to your home a reality. Later that day, we went to the river and I collected evergreen branches to remind us of the promise of eternal life in Jesus. I got yellow aspen leaves from a friend's house to remind us that without God, we are nothing. What do you think? Are you liking it so far? How does it seem? Quite? Do you like it? Yes? Maybe? Ooh, I like that. Gotta help me hang it on the door. We have to clean the wall. Look at that, huh? Paul. What do you think about it? Do you like it? If you do it, then you have to share a photo of it on the comments. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave a comment and a like. See you next week.